Hello everyone. Again, I'm come back to some interesting course. Today, I'll tell you about to discuss about the SEO online courses. These courses are free and paid at the same time. And if you want more information about the online course, then subscribe our channel CourseAvatar and click on the bell icons. Always we get updated whenever I'll upload a new video. Let's get started. So our first course is SEO training complete SEO course is SEO copyright mastery course is provided by the Udemy, and here you learn about the SEO copywriting, link building, keyword research, and technical SEOs, and how you can increase CTR by creating the featured stipends and learn the SEO and boost your ranking by optimizing UX signals. And this course is for the people who wish to learn SEO, whether they are bloggers or marketers or local business owners or social media influencers or specialists or any other persons who are interested and who wants to gain the knowledge about the basic knowledge about SEO. Then they can definitely go over this course. So our next course is Introduction to the Google SEO. It's a provide this course is provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn about the Google SEO, its standing SEO practices, building personas and fundamentals of SEO, and you will create the content for your website to increase the search rankings and concepts like the search algorithms, systematics, SEO tactics, and strategies. This course is for the beginners course, and you doesn't require any minimum business experience of the but to learn this course you require the minimum experience of business experience of 2 years to learn this course to go through learn this course. So our next course is a SEO beginners tutorial, the tutorial course that's on the Simplilearn YouTube channel, and it's a totally free course. You can go and to the YouTube channel of Simplilearn and go and learn here there, and you will learn about the how you can rank higher in Google Analytic and keyword research, paid advertising, and types of keyword research, how you can perform it or ranking the YouTube videos. You will learn about all these things like the user engagements, increasing traffic, and many more things are there. This course is for the people who are beginners in the SEO and wish to learn more about it and its practical aspects. They can go for this course. If you are a practical person, then go and register yourself. Our fourth one course is the SEO 2022 complete SEO training course for the WordPress websites. Course is provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn the SEO techniques like keyword research, UX links, or building many more things like the page speed SEOs, avoiding the negative SEO, and you will improve your user experience and increase the website ranking. You will also learn about the technical SEO and what search engines look for in a website. This course is special for the people who wish to learn SEO, who those are the already know about the little bit about the SEO and enhance their knowledge, and want to learn advanced things of the SEO. They can definitely go for this course. Go and check out the link given. Our next course is a search engine optimizing specialization course is SEO specialization course that provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn the SEO fundamentals and merging SEO with the all over the goals of your business and Google SEO. Also you learn about it and competitive analysis and conduct the search focus website edits. And this course is especially for the beginners course, and if you're but in this course you want minimum business experience of 2 years is required here. If you have the experience of 2 years, then you definitely go for this course. Is a specialization course provided by the course, and it's total. So our next course, sixth one course is the SEO training masterclass course for the beginners to the advanced SEO. It's provided by the Udemy, and here you will learn the keyword research and the on-page SEO creating the mobile friendly SEO websites, and you will also learn how to increase the Google search rankings and on other engines. And you also learn about the Spotify SEO, WordPress SEO, and many more other websites SEOs like the Amazon, Google, YouTube, and many more things are there. This course is especially for the people who wish to learn Spotify SEO or WordPress SEO and want to improve their existing SEO knowledge. They want to gain more knowledge about it, more concepts and of SEO. They can definitely go for this course. Totally free course. Go and so here our last course is SEO certification course that's provided by the Hubspot, and here you will learn the fundamentals of SEO. It's technical on-page SEO, keyword research, website optimizings, and the concepts of website visibility. And you also learn how you can conducting the keyword research to increase the search performance. And again, this course is a free course for the people who are looking SEO and people who are upskill their SEO knowledge, and content creators also, or marketers, or they can also go for this course. It's a totally free course is there, and it's the HubSpot. You can go and check out the. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.